Hello, I'm William Ware, Project Manager for stow. We are here in Paris in one of our latest installations for one of the biggest players in the e-commerce business. The challenges of this project were mainly due to its size, 500 trucks of material delivered here to Paris, and also the connectivity we had with other suppliers, like the sprinkler suppliers, the ventilations, the conveyors. These were actually our main challenges on this project. stow responded to these challenges by dedicating a complete engineering crew to this project, as well as being present on site every day. The requirements for this project from our customer were safety in the installation phase as well as in the go-live phase, a streamlined communication between the customer and stow, as well as a nice work environment for the future workers in our installations. This project consists of 3 pick towers spread over 31,000 square meters, in which we can accommodate up to 500,000 shelves, storing 12 million items of clothing, and I'm very proud to have realized this project with a complete stow team.